In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix cellular data on iPhone. If you're having trouble with cellular data, the first thing to ensure is that you are in an area with good cellular coverage. Weak or no signal can cause cellular data connectivity issues. The next thing to do is to enable cellular data. Drag from the top of the screen and tap on the cellular data icon right next to airplane icon. Once you enable it, you might be able to fix your cellular data connection issue. Sometimes you can simply switch off your cellular data and wait for a couple of minutes, switch it on back again, and this will give a quick refresh, which will help you fix your issue. If the problem still persists, then try turning on airplane mode. Tap on the airplane icon and then wait for a couple of seconds. Turn it on back again and try connecting to your cellular data now. If the problem still persists, you can try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch for your iPhone and slide the power off button at the top. Reboot your system again and then try turning on the cellular data. If you are using an outdated version of iOS device, then you might run through this issue. So always make sure to update your iOS version. To do so, tap Open Settings from your app drawer and scroll down, tap on General and tap on Software Update button. Check for available updates for your software. If your iPhone is up to date, then you can go back. But if there is an update available, simply tap on the Download and Install button and wait for the software update to complete. Once your device is updated, you might be able to fix your cellular data issue. If you are in a different country, ensure that the data roaming is enabled. Simply go back to the Settings app icon and then from the Settings menu, tap on the Mobile Data option. Make sure that your mobile data is turned on and then tap on Mobile Data Options. Enable the button right next to Data Roaming. And once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. If the issue still persists, you can try contacting your carrier's customer support and they can check for any outages or specific issues with your account. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are having cellular data issue on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.